Another sunny day in Ventura, California. Got a little more chilly today. Wearing my booties. Taking the walk up to the stables. Pretty small. We're gonna ride the mid-length twin. Yeah. See how it goes. Rain. Last time it rained, the river busted through and created some little sandbars up here. They're still kind of closed outy, but heavy on that one. Or that one. Or that one. That one spit a little bit. Might have to actually go down point a little bit. A little more south on this well today, I think. Nobody got it. Nobody there. Lots of sand out here compared to the last time I was out here. You can see that's a river mouth right there where it busted through. Let's see if we can get a few out here. Ooh, little one. Yeah. Pretty fun out there. Still a few. It was really fun when I first paddled out, just wave after wave for like first 45 minutes or so. The wind's kind of got on it now a little bit, pushed it down, but yeah, it's still 2 to 3 and fun. No complaints from me. Yeah. Fun. Yeah, that was a pretty fun session from beginning to end. You know, can't really complain about having a surf spot like Ventura Point. Really enjoyed the first half of it. It was like up above the stables and the river mouth section. Like there was a lot of closeouts, but there were some nice little walls in there and some good little drops. Man, I blew one really good turn that felt really good under my feet. I've been riding shorter boards, so it's always weird transitioning out of like a big cut back on a bigger board, like how fast it slows down and then speeds up again. It just gives me the kind of wobbles. Definitely going back and forth between a 5.5, a 5.6, and a 6.11. But hey, I digress. Can't really complain about it. That kind of session. Didn't expect it to be that good. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna go get some food and go work and make some money. Phew.